Here's a few tips you can use every day in Microsoft Word. The Smart Lookup feature allows you to perform a web search from within your Word document. Simply select the term, right-click it, and use the Smart Lookup option on the shortcut menu. The web search results will display over on the right. You can scroll through, click the links, and get the information that you need. You can extend beyond the basic functionality of your copy-paste command by using the extended clipboard. The way that it works is on the Home tab of the ribbon, in the Clipboard group, bottom right is a tiny little icon which, as you click it, will open up a task pane on the left. This is the clipboard, which will hold all of the items that you decide to copy. Those items can be text, they can be pictures. Essentially, select what you need and use the copy method of your choice. I'm just going to use the copy button up here on the ribbon, but of course, Control-C, right-click, any of those ways to copy will get it to the collected items there on the clipboard. So I've selected my first hotel item there. I'm going to scroll through and repeat that a couple of times, just selecting the names here and copying. And then what we'll do after we've collected and copied all of the things that we want, we'll go ahead and paste them in another place in the document. You can also paste them in a completely different document. So just another location in the document, clicking where I want that first item to go, and just click the item and it will be added in there. Okay, so I just press the Enter key to get onto a new line, and then I can go ahead and add my next one, etc. And there we have it. When you're done, you can clear the clipboard, you can close the clipboard, and there you go. You'll want to keep these next two tools in mind as you do your next school report. For example, as you write up your report, to count the number of words in your report, head over to the Review tab of the ribbon and just click Word Count. It'll let you know how many pages, words, characters, etc. So if there's some kind of minimum or maximum, this will help you reach it or stay within those limits. Also, when your report is done, you can add a nice cover page. So over on the Insert tab of the ribbon, there's a cover page drop down in the top left corner, and you can come in and choose a nice cover for your report. Just click the one you want to add. It brings it into the document at the top page there, the first page, and just click to add your content. The Format Painter is a great tool that allows you to copy formats. So for example, I can select text that has already been formatted, click the Format Painter icon, and then select the text that needs to be formatted. Let's do an undo really quickly and show you something else. If you select your text or whatever needs that already has been formatted and double click the Format Painter, you can actually go on to select and copy those formats to multiple locations. When you're done, just click the Format Painter button again, and that process is turned off. It can also be used for pictures. So here we have a picture that's got a nice frame on it. Actually, let's change that frame up a little bit. Just use something like this. And once again, just select what has the formats. On the Home tab of the ribbon, click the Format Painter button, then click what needs to be formatted. And that's your Format Painter. You can use the Quick Part Gallery in Microsoft Word to create, store, and reuse pieces of content like formatted text and even pictures. These blocks of contents are called building blocks. Let's take a look. To create your quick part, you'll type it into your document, you'll format it as needed, and then select it. Go over to the Insert tab of the ribbon and find the quick part drop-down. Give that a click, and all the way down at the bottom, select the option to save this selection to the quick part gallery. Give it a name. And click on OK. And to be able to use it in any document, I'm just going to delete this. You'll go over to the Insert tab, use the Quick Parts drop-down, and you will see alphabetically listed any of the quick parts that you've created. Simply give it a click, it will put it into the document, and you're all set. One thing to keep in mind is that after you create or change any of your quick parts, when you close Word, there's a prompt that you're gonna need to pay attention to. Otherwise, the quick parts will be deleted. This isn't it. This is regarding the document, so I don't need to save that. This is the one that you want to be careful of and aware of. Make sure that when you see this, it addresses the building blocks that you modified. Make sure that you click Save. Otherwise, the next time you come into Word, that quick part will not be there. And that's it for our Word Quick Tips. Hope to see you again soon.